Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. Today I placed a few orders and something came in. So today the palette that I ordered is the ColourPop Aurora Struck. I did not order this at launch, but it kind of looks like my vibe. So let's jump into it and see what I can create. So like I said in the beginning, I have been doing a little bit of shopping. I have not ordered a whole lot in the last 2 years. So I did a couple orders and I got one or two on the way. And I had to order this ColourPop Aurora Struck palette. It looks so pretty. And I was down when this launched. So I wanted to get this. I think it is so gorgeous, and it does have like some shifts in it in a couple of these colors. It's got shifts, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to play in this and see what we can create. Hope everybody's been doing well. I have been very busy going to doctor's appointments, trying to get all that done, and yeah, I need to put on my eye base. So we're going to go in with the Gerard Clean Canvas Eye Base in Fair. And there will be a link in the description where you can purchase anything on the website. And if there's not a sale going on, you can use my code BelindaMua to save 30% at checkout. Now I am back. This palette is so pretty. Now I couldn't keep my fingers out of it. I have not done swatches yet, but I did stick my fingers in a few of the shimmers. And I think today I want to, I think I'm going to do a halo eye today. And I'm not testing out the formula because I already am familiar with ColourPop's formula. So I won't be doing two eye looks today, but we will play in this palette some more. Going into Spiraling, that shade right there, and I'm going in with a E27, and we're going to pack that up here at the crease, the top of the crease. Okay, now that we have that down, I'm going to go into Stormy Much. I don't know. I think I'm going to go in with that one. And we're going to put this right here at the top, right underneath that color. We are going to bring that down here. And I'm going to start blending this. I'm going to go back into Spiraling just a little bit, and we're just going to blend the top. Just kind of do the edges. Okay, I think I'm going to go in with Icelandic, I guess. That one right there. And I'm going to go in with a Rephr 02. And I'm going to go back in with this brush that I blended out, that I use spiraling. I'm just going to go around the edges. Should have probably went in with this darker color first, but it will be okay. And then I'm just going to keep doing this until I have the intensity that I want. So I'm not going to keep doing the intensity on camera. I'm just going to keep going back and forth until I get exactly what I want, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back, and I did lay down some more clean canvas. So now that we have the clean canvas down, I'm going to go in with a shimmer, and I'm going in with Feeling Wavy. And it's that one right there. And we're going to put this down on the clean canvas I just put down. You want to put it just like you put your eye primer down. Okay. Now I'm going to take my number 2 brush, and I've already got pigment on it, and I'm going to start going in on my halo eye just a little. Alright, now I'm just going to take a little, this is an actual, it's a Sigma blending brush, it's an E36, and I'm just going to take that and go across the edge of that halo eye, of that color I just put down, the 02. We're just blending that out. Now I'm going to take this brush with the Stormy Much. We're going to go up against that black or Icelandic. Just build up that color just a little bit. Oh, I thought I got something on me. I'm not doing a review, so I am going to add a different shimmer on top of that one. I'm going into Super Cluster from the ABH Cosmos palette and put just a little bit of that down. That's going to be pretty. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to go over and finish up this other eye, and then I'll be back with lashes and a wing. Okay guys, I don't have my face finished because I jumped ahead of myself and said, I'll come back with my face finish. I just got my liner and lashes on. And the lashes, I'm using the Part 2 by Glamlight. And I did take the Full Spectrum liner in Midnight from that's not Midnight, that's Onyx, but from Makeup Geek. So I want to go in with a darker blue on the bottom, so I think I'm going to go into Orca, that one. And I am taking a lash definer brush, it's flat, and I'm going up against the lash line. Alright, I'm going to switch off this Refer 02. I'm going to switch it off. And we're going to blend. And then to blend it out, I am going to go into Stormy Much, the one that we put up here. And I'm going to tap it off. We're going to lightly blend that. Y'all, I'm wearing blue eyeshadow today. I cannot believe it. Let's... Oh, here's the pencil. I left it out for you to see. I do want to go in with a lighter blue underneath here. bit of Journey. That one. Just a pinch. And yeah. Okay, now I set out a brush for the inner corner. I'm going to take a Shop Miss A brush in 16. We're going to spray. So I went into Heading North. I have to blend that out. Okay, let me grab some blush. Okay, I'm going to go into this Yensa Silk Cream Blush. We may put some powder over top of this. It's not very dark. And I have to go do a different video for the lip, and then I'll be back to show you the finished look when I get done. Okay guys, I am back. For my lip, I have on Honeymoon Hydro Matte Lipstick and the Melrose Place lip liner. Isn't this gorgeous? So pretty. Such a pretty shade for summer. So let me know what you guys think of this tutorial. I don't wear blues a lot, but these are cool tones. I want all the cool tone eyeshadows I can get because they look so good on my skin tone. And we will jump back into this when I unbox this other thing that I bought for when I start going live. And as soon as this busy week is over, I will start doing lives next week. Not hopefully, but yeah, let me know what you thought of the look that I created with you, and did you pick up this palette when it launched? I can't wait to dig into a few more of these colors and do some more eye looks. It's a really pretty palette, but it's cool tone, that's why I wanted it. But yeah, let me know what you thought of this tutorial. Would you wear this eye look? And what do you think about the lip? This is a new lip to me. And I also put on the Hearsay gloss on top of it. I love those glosses. Guys, you've got to get your hands on these lip glosses. But yeah, that is the end of the video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature woman, then please hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss an upload. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.